ICC T20 World Cup 2024 Indian cricket team squad. Number 1 Rohit Sharma, captain. Number 2 SSB Jaiswal. Number 3 Virat Kohli. Number 4 Surya Kumar Yadav. Number 5 Rishabh Pant, wicketkeeper. Number 6 Sanju Samson, wicketkeeper. Number 7 Hardik Pandya, vice captain. Number 8 Shivam Dube. Number 9 Ravindra Jadeja. Number 10 Akshar Patel. Number 11 Yuzvendra Chahal. Number 12 Kuldeep Yadav. Number 13 Arshdeep Singh. Number 14 Jasprit Bumrah. Number 15 Mohammad Siraj. Number 16 Shubman Gill, reserve. Number 17 Rinku Singh, reserve.